Page 169, number 7. Write and graph f satisfying the given conditions. So f of -5 equals -1 and f of 2 equals 4. And we're in the section that is on linear equations. So I have 2 points. I have -5, -1, and I have 2, 4. So first thing I'm going to do is find the slope. So I'm going to do -1 minus 4 over -5 minus 2. And I'm going to get -5 over -7, which is 5/7. Now I'm going to use point slope form to find the equation. Now if you want to use slope intercept, that's fine. Either one is correct. So I'm going to do y minus 4 equals 5/7 times x minus 2. And then solving for y, I get y equals 5/7 x minus plus 18 over 7. So here's my f of x. And now I'm going to graph it. And all I'm going to do to graph it is I'm just going to graph the 2 points that were given, because any 2 points that are on a line can be used to draw the line. So I'm at -5, -1, which is right here. See if I can get this to draw for me. Let me pick a thicker pen. Here we go. Right there. And then the other point was 2, 4. And then I'm going to draw a line connecting them. Like that. And there we go.